Today I'm going to show you how to install the Grammarly Chrome extension step by step so you can start checking your writing for grammar, spelling, and clarity directly inside your browser. Grammarly is a great tool for students, creators, professionals, and anyone who writes online every day. It helps you catch mistakes faster, improve your writing, and save time while typing emails, documents, posts, and messages. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top and type chrome.google.com/webstore, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store, which is where you can find and install browser extensions. When the store loads, look for the search bar near the top left, or sometimes in the center, depending on your screen size. Click inside that search bar and type Grammarly. After you search, you'll see a list of results. Find the one that says Grammarly, AI, Writing Assistant, and Grammar Checker. This is the official extension you want to install. Click on that result to open its extension page. On the Grammarly page, you'll see details about the extension, including what it does and how it works. Look to the right side of the page and find the blue Add to Chrome button. Click that button to begin the installation process. Chrome may ask you to confirm that you want to add the extension and show you what permissions it needs. This is normal for browser extensions. Review the prompt, and if everything looks correct, click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will now download and install Grammarly automatically. Give it a few seconds while the extension is added to your browser. Once the installation is complete, you may see the Grammarly icon appear in the top right corner of Chrome near the address bar. That means the extension is now ready to use. In some cases, Grammarly may ask you to sign in or create an account so it can sync your settings and provide full writing support. If prompted, simply follow the on-screen steps to log in. After that, you can start using Grammarly on websites like Gmail, Google Docs, social media, and other text fields across the web. If you ever want to check whether the extension is installed, you can click the puzzle piece icon in Chrome and look for Grammarly in your extensions list. You can also pin it to your toolbar for easier access. Just click the pin icon next to Grammarly and it will stay visible at the top of your browser. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Grammarly Chrome extension. From here, you can write with more confidence and let Grammarly help catch mistakes as you go. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.